Accountable. To be accountable means to be responsible. Sam is held accountable for washing his dog. How are the words accountable and responsible similar?
Advise. To advise means to give one's opinion or to inform. A coach can advise you on how to improve your swimming. What is a synonym for advise? Advise. A coach can advise you on how to improve your swimming.
Desperately. To act desperately means to try anything to change a hopeless situation. The woman was desperately trying to remember where she had left her keys. Describe a time when you desperately tried to remember something.
Hesitated. If you hesitated, you waited or stopped, especially because of feeling unsure. The dog hesitated before jumping up to grab the food off the counter. Have you hesitated before doing something?
Humiliated. To be humiliated means to be made to feel ashamed or foolish. Sarah felt humiliated when she forgot her lines. How is humiliated similar to embarrassed?
Inspiration. An inspiration is a person or thing that stirs the mind, feelings, or imagination. The girl found inspiration for her drawing in nature. Where does your inspiration come from?
Self-esteem. To have self-esteem is to have respect for oneself. Winning the soccer championship helped improve Billy's confidence and self-esteem. What else builds self-esteem?
Uncomfortably. Uncomfortably means uneasily. Sonia's throat felt uncomfortably sore. What are some things that can feel uncomfortably tight?